Imagine turning a bold idea into reality. That's the essence of project management, a discipline that transforms vision into results across industries from tech to healthcare, construction to education. But what exactly is project management, and why does it matter so much? At its core, project management is the art and science of guiding a temporary effort, a project, toward success. Unlike routine operations, which keep businesses running day to day, projects are unique, with clear goals, deadlines, and deliverables. This distinction is crucial because every project follows a structured life cycle, starting with initiation, moving through planning, execution, monitoring, and finally, closure. Who leads this journey? The project manager. They steer the team, coordinate efforts, communicate with stakeholders, and tackle obstacles. Yet, success depends just as much on a dedicated project team and engaged stakeholders, those whose input, expertise, and decisions shape outcomes. Collaboration and clarity are key. Every project begins with initiation, defining goals, building a business case, and identifying stakeholders. Planning follows, where the roadmap takes shape, timelines, resources, and risks are laid out. Execution brings plans to life, as teams collaborate, solve problems, and deliver results. Monitoring and controlling ensure progress stays on track, adjusting for changes, and maintaining quality and budget. Closure wraps things up, delivering the final product, documenting lessons learned, and celebrating achievements. Essential tools empower this process. Work breakdown structures break complex projects into manageable pieces. Gantt charts visualize schedules and dependencies, keeping everyone aligned. Risk management safeguards against surprises, helping teams anticipate and respond proactively. Challenges are inevitable. Managing scope, time, and cost requires discipline and adaptability. Change is constant. Communication is critical to navigate shifting priorities and expectations. Every project faces hurdles, but with foundational skills, proven techniques, and a collaborative mindset, success is within reach. Project management isn't just a process, it's a mindset. With a clear foundation, anyone can drive ideas forward, transform challenges into opportunities, and lead projects with confidence.